Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. In today's video, guys, we will be talking about Fuyo, which is the AI agent for news, insights, and for many other data things. So before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. So Fuyo is actually something that is really interesting, and they are working on launching a token as well. It is backed by data. It is built for winners, as they say, and it is basically your AI agent for GambleFi. So obviously, be careful with such things. I'm just presenting this to you guys. By the way, today the weather in Malta, man. I mean, oh, bro, it's not the best. But why would you care about the weather? That I have here? I don't know, I just had to throw in some random stuff, as I usually do in my videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, because you guys already probably hate me. So Fuyo AI, guys, provides latest odds, results, signals, and AI automation for GambleFi. It is the first in the world to tokenize lottery gaming, which is a huge $350 billion market. So they really have a cool narrative, because it's an AI agent, which, I mean, obviously artificial intelligence being really heavy right now, and also about GambleFi, which, I mean, like, you know, how it is with gambling in many countries, but yeah, it's a huge market nonetheless. So they are very unique because they are first in the world with special so-called jackpot hash, which is basically SHA-256 hash within hash. So it is for 100% randomness, and that basically ensures it, right? And then Fuyo AI is trained with ChatGPT 4.0 with human-like interaction and multi-language support as well. And you can see they are powered by ChatGPT, Elisa AI, Google Cloud, Berachain, Ton, BNB Chain, and Chainlink. So the AI is an expert agent that uses Elisa OS and ChatGPT 4.0 to give recommendations. She has learned and trained on all historical 4D lottery data. So she is like your AI expert assistant. I mean, it is pretty cool idea, honestly. She can give analysis, recommendations, and help you to place bets. So for example, I dream about a dragon, or I step on, well, you can read the rest. But yeah, honestly, really cool take on this one. And like, obviously, past results can't guarantee future results. It is like that with anything. Doesn't matter if you do sports betting, doesn't matter whether you do a freaking, I don't know, trading, right? Or other stuff. Like, it is always random, but you can try to get a better edge by using all those analysis and data, which in this case you don't need to do them by yourself, because your AI agent will help you doing that. So that's really cool. So how it works, guys? Well, first, users engage Fuyo AI agent on Telegram app or Twitter account and create Fuyo account. Then there is more capabilities that unlocks for AI agent functionalities as user level goes up. So the more you use it, I suppose, the higher the level gets, right? All AI agents being routed through Fuyo app and create demand for Fuyo token as well, which is the take that should technically draw the investors into their token, which is coming soon. And then AI agents integrates with Elisa OS, ChatGPT, Telegram, Twitter, Fuyo app, BNB, and Berachain, right? So, well, as you can see, it is very simple to get started. You join the Telegram app to access it, then you access your AI agent to interact with Professor Fuyo AI agent, and then you can join the game for free. You have the link to the game here, and that's how you can basically get started. They also have their Telegram here, so that's basically the bot. As you can see, they have 13,000 monthly users. And also, guys, let me add that when it comes to this bot, it is absolutely a working product already. It is not like most of the AI agent projects only talking nonsense. They actually have a thing that works here, and you can see this on this particular screenshot here, that he's responding to the question that you ask him, which is pretty cool, obviously. So as you can see, he introduces himself, and then you can just chat with him or ask him a question. So, you know, riding on the Trump hype right now, this is the type of question, for example, and he's responding that, for example, we can take number 2024. So yeah, that's really cool. It's already a working product, so as I said, you can go ahead and test it absolutely for free, which is very decent because it's just getting started. And I suppose there will be more influencers talking about it because it's actually really interesting project, to be fair. So yeah, I know that my channel hasn't been about AI that heavily, but I definitely want to look for more AI-based projects because this is something that truly brings me joy making videos on, because you know it's future, and well, I really enjoy hearing about all those new technologies and sharing them with you. That's something that I basically like doing, simply as that, right? So they are really different. They are first in the world with this jackpot hash that I said. They have this AI agent and the smart betting, right? Because it uses the chat GPT to provide you personalized and smart recommendations based on the user data, historical data, with one-click bet for better UX. So that's what they also do. And then they are integrated with the Telegram app, so that's cool because you can access their app through Telegram app and you can log in with Telegram, which is also very easy. Like, it is perfect for Web3 people, and it's essentially really more user-friendly and basically easy to access than, you know, making a separate account. Blockchain for transparency, obviously, because every number draw and all of that and all the jackpots, they are immutably recorded on the BNB chain and Bera chain, so it is like, from technical point, ensuring 100% fairness and transparency. Obviously, I mean, it is accessible 24/7. So they also use stablecoin for their payouts. Community engagement, it earns you XP points, all the referral bonuses, monthly campaigns, leaderboards, stuff like that to level up and get some additional rewards. And then also their token, which will be called Fuyo token, simply, same as the website and all of that. So the token utility, well, flywheel demand for Fuyo token with the jackpot in itself, then deflationary it will be because of the buybacks that they will make from Fuyo profit. So you know how it is usually with deflationary tokens. If the token is deflationary, it is highly possible that it can grow up in price quite a lot, because simply the demand will increase while the supply will decrease, so people will be ready to pay higher price to get their hands on the token. VIP privileges as well, different discounts, rewards and all of that, validation of bet transactions on chain, and obviously the thing that is cool about this is that you can just hodl the token. You obviously don't need to degen around with it. You can just hodl the token and possibly reap the rewards from the price appreciation. That's what I would be in for. I certainly would be hodling this. But I mean, that's what is cool about it, that you can remotely do anything that you want with it. That's beautiful about crypto overall. So yeah, they also have this multi-language support, as I said, and they also have the 1 BTC jackpot with Fuyo X Squid Game campaign, which is ending on January 24th. So that's also really interesting. So yeah, they also have this proof of AI and bet, deflationary fixed cap utility, and AI meme token. So they create the value for token, ensuring users share their ecosystem benefits like loyalty, rewards, discounts, or access to VIP games. Sustainable flywheel to generate demand for Fuyo token with its unique jackpot hash lottery model and buybacks with protocol revenue, and also the fixed supply token with long-term sustainability, all those XP benefits, and deflationary token in itself. They also have full documentation, which I recommend you to always go through either the documentation or white paper or whatever basically is available on the website of each particular project, to understand it better, to maybe get into the technicalities, and then decide whether it's something for you or whether you want to pass on it, okay? I always say that because I want you guys to do your own research and do your own due diligence, because I'm also human. Like, I'm only human after all. If you know, then you know. You know, like, do your own analysis. Like, don't always, you know, rely on something that you hear on the internet. But yeah, obviously, they are very transparent here. They also have all the explanations here, you know. And also, guys, while we are at it, I also want to talk a little bit more about this jackpot hash actually. So it is the world's first lottery draw based on transaction hash within transaction hash. So it is that own innovation, and it is the first on-chain jackpot, as you can see. So in order to create a pure random hash that can be manipulated, Fuyo leverages the existing cryptocurrency technology, aka jackpot hash within transaction hash, and this hash is basically a 32 bytes hexadecimal similar to transaction ID, which is transaction hash. And you have it explained here, and then there is a whole how it works section. So random hash is generated in the bet function. When the user places a bet, the hash then stores a new verified smart contract for the public to check with their UID and ticket ID, and then the jackpot hash is computed from block.timestamp, block hash, user ID, ticket ID, and secret key, and then all of those other steps. So as you can see, it is quite complicated, but honestly, once you work it all out, it is very easy to understand, and it is a revolutionary thing. And again, this is their own innovation. So I also wanted to highlight that, and now let's get back into the video. What are the odds? So yeah, like I like the transparency here. The tokenomics also look very promising. Then you also have information about the ICO, all the vesting, stuff like that. So I will leave all of this to you, so you can go ahead and decide whether it's something for you or no, and then I will be more than happy to read your comments about it, and well, I can discuss with you as always. So feel free to comment, and let's share each other's opinions, because I'm really interested in hearing what you guys think about it, especially after you analyze them yourself. So if you want to join, then bot, you can test it for completely free. It will be all linked down below in the description of this video. You can also follow them on Twitter, so you stay updated with all the things that they are pushing. And then guys, that's basically it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, guys. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.